Hello designers, how are you doing today? Welcome to the Cat at the Car. Yeah, today we are going to be learning how to create 2D games using an amazing platform. There are different platforms you can use, but the one we are going to be using today is amazing, very efficient, and very easy to use. You understand? It's good for a beginner, and you can do amazing stuff with it. You can create amazing games, like different games that you play online. So we're starting with a 2D game design. Most of us know what game is. Game is not just about entertainment alone. Game is about storytelling, passing a message, and doing a lot of things. Are you with me, everybody? So now we're going to be creating a game. But the first thing you want to do is you want to get the software. So the software you're going to be using is called GDevelop. So I'm going to be showing you the software. This is the app version, and there's a desktop version. So let's go to the browser, and then so to GDevelop, you just type gdevelop.io. So wait for it to load. So this is a platform whereby you can design a lot of things, and oh sorry, .io, not .co. So it's basically for 2D game design. So then you click on start creating your game. And let's wait for it to load. So you have to have an amazing concept about the game you design. For example, I'm going to give you an example of 2D games for the likes of Mario, Contra, Sonic, and so much more. So like I said, game design is all about telling a story, passing a message. It can be educative, it can be entertaining, it can be a solution to a particular problem. Do you understand now? So, okay, because I'm already logged in now, so you can click on get the app, then now, very good. So you can either use the web, which is gonna open something like this, or you use the app version. So you specify your operating system and you click on it and it starts downloading. So because I'm using a Windows, I'm gonna click on Windows, but I've already downloaded it before, so I'm just gonna click on Windows just for a test so that you can see how it's been done. Or you can use the web version. So I click on launch, it's gonna launch it on a new browser, something like this. Okay, so it's save now. So it's gonna start downloading very soon. So this is the web version. So I already have it downloading here. Because I have it, so I don't need to download again. I just pause it, and you can use the web version. Click on launch, it open a new tab for you, and there you go. So you have the web version or the app version. So whichever one is convenient for you to use, you can use. Hope you've learned something today. See you in our next video. Bye bye.